So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is our journal 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 6th till the 12th of July 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages, they might or might not resonate with you. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. The overall energy for Capricorn people for this week. I'm going to give it a good shuffle and then I'm going to start. We have the lovers. Make choices from your heart, deeply emotional commitments, the power of love. Okay, in the matter of your heart, you have to use your heart only to make the choices or decisions in a particular commitment, in a particular connection, okay? Whether it's romantic or otherwise. The power of love. The more you are going to spread love and positivity from your heart to others, the more you're going to get it back, okay? It's going to be like energy exchange in a beautiful and positive way. Sixth, we have the Nine of Gabriel. Stay determined and move forward. Be prepared for any possibility. Now, on this day, if you are going to be determined and if you are going to keep moving forward, there are good chances of you actually getting what you really want. Environmental activism, it is not for every one of you, but if you're interested in that or you're volunteering or doing something regarding environment, that is going to give you a sense of contentment, a sense of peace and happiness. And if you are going to be invited to that kind of situations, go there, have fun. You're going to feel quite happy and at peace. Nature is healing, environment is healing, right? Okay, seventh, we have the Eight of Michael. You can be free. You can be free from a situation that you are feeling that you are stuck in. It's just your mind playing tricks on you. Make a courageous choice to change your situation. Once you are going to make a choice or decision to change your situation and stick to that decision or choice of yours, you are good to go. You are going to be free. Not seeing things clearly. Right now, you're not able to see a situation clearly because of your inability to understand what's going on really. Because your mind is creating stories and scenarios that are not true and you're falling into the trap of illusion. Okay. Sixth, seventh, eighth, we have the Queen of Ariel. Nurture yourself and those you love. You guys have to connect with those people, those situations, those vibes, those energies that nurture you and whom you also nurture and whom you also love. Okay, connect with those energies. The ability to make anything more beautiful. This day is going to make you feel like you have the capacity to make everything really beautiful and positive in your life. Practical and wise advice. Somebody is going to give you some kind of practical and wise advice, even if it is not going to be something directly related to you at this moment of time. This is something that you can keep that you can listen to properly. It might be helpful in the coming future, if not immediately, eventually at some point of time, especially if it is coming out of a very mature, grounded, or a very wise energy. We have 6, 7, 8. Ninth, we have the Two of Raphael. Two hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful. You are going to be connected to somebody. Most of you, it's a romantic connection that's going to be really very beautiful and positive. If not, it can be a partnership, it can be a bond, it can be a friendship, and it's going to be like you guys opening up to the idea of creating something beautiful together. Kindred spirit, there are going to be helpful energies around you. Don't give up on those you love. Don't give up on those people, situations, or things that you love, okay? Because of some kind of misunderstandings or some kind of distance or some kind of rift. Try not to create distances with your loved ones. 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th, we have the Ace of Michael. A wonderful new idea. You guys are going to get some kind of aha moment, some kind of bingo moment, and you guys are going to get some kind of wonderful new idea regarding a situation. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. You are going to be faced with some kind of obstacles or challenges also while you are going to have this idea. So don't allow those obstacles or challenges to move forward. Clear up communication problem with others. If you're having any kind of communication problems with anybody, especially it is related to your career or finances, try to sort it out as soon as possible before it's going to be a very difficult to deal with kind of situation in the coming future. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. 11th, we have the High Priestess, powerful psychic insights. You guys are going to get some kind of powerful psychic insights, maybe via dreams, maybe like downloads when while you will be sitting and doing something, and suddenly out of the blue you are going to get some kind of insights. That's what we call downloads, right? Reflection and meditation that provide valuable information. If you are going to be stressed out or confused, or you are going to be like, what the hell should I do? Just sit with yourself, reflect on your thoughts and emotions, and meditate for some time. Meditation is just nothing but awareness of your thoughts and your emotions and what's going on. And then when you are going to settle down, when you are going to practice meditation and silence for some time, you will be able to get the answers from within yourself instead of the outside world. Be at peace with whatever you have right now. If you cannot change anything or control anything, try to make peace with whatever is happening and let it be, and you will be amazed uh, with the kind of results and kind of solutions you are going to get out of the blue. The final message. Okay, so we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th. 12th of July, we have the 4 of Michael. Insights that come from quiet meditation. The same thing is going to continue on 12th also. The need for more sleep or time off. Seek relief from stress. If you're continuously working like a robot, try to take some time for yourself, at least a weekend off or at least one day off for yourself, and try to seek relief from the stress that you're continuously living in. Capricorn, you're a human, you're not a robot. You don't have to behave like a robot. You don't have to behave like a machine all the time, because a lot of people feel guilty when they rest. I don't know what kind of thing it is. Like, I being a Taurus, I being a human, I feel like I should rest. If I'm working for 3 4 hours, I feel like I should rest at least for 1 2 hours. I don't know what kind of energy is that. And I don't, I feel guilty when I overwork with my body, I overstress my mind, I overstress my life. For what? So I just take that much work or that much food on my plate which I can finish and which I'm going to feel good about. And I'm not talking about food here only. That's the thing. The final guidance for you guys is 5 of Ariel. You need not go through your current challenges alone. You might be struggling with some kind of challenges in your life. You don't have to go through those issues, those problems alone. Help is nearby. All you have to do is seek for it, ask for it, and help is nearby. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. Now your negative thoughts are creating that kind of world around you, that this is the ultimate truth, nobody is going to help you, everybody is going to make fun of you. Okay, I can understand if you can't talk to your friends or family or your spouse or somebody close about your issues. You can connect with a therapist, you can connect with a healer, you can connect with somebody who can actually help you out, right? So in today's era, this is like the online thing had made everything quite cheaper, quite affordable. So go for that if you feel like, right? But don't suffer alone. Until unless your mental health, physical health, emotional health is not good, nothing is going to make you feel happy. Simple as that. It's for all of us, not for you only. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.